While everyone's chasing the latest meme coin pump, whales are quietly stacking XRP like they know something we don't. And with Ripple just announcing a massive $200,000 per project fund in Japan, the question isn't if XRP explodes, it's when. But here's the kicker, 99% of retail investors are completely missing this setup. What's good, crypto fam? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your daily dose of alpha that separates the diamond hands from the paper hands. I'm your host, bringing you the hottest takes in the crypto space, and today we're diving deep into two absolutely massive developments that could send XRP to the moon while everyone else is sleeping on it. Stick around because by the end of this video you're gonna understand exactly why patient XRP holders might be sitting on a gold mine, and why Ripple's latest Japan move could be the catalyst that changes everything. We're talking about accumulation patterns that would make Wall Street jealous, technical setups that scream quiet before the storm, and a strategic expansion that's flying completely under the radar. Let's be real for a second. XRP has been testing everyone's patience lately. We're talking about a coin that's been moving sideways while Bitcoin nearly doubled from 76,000 to its recent highs. On the surface, it looks like XRP is stuck in crypto purgatory, right? Here's what the surface level analysis completely misses. While XRP has been boring, and yeah, I'm using air quotes here because boring in crypto often means accumulation, the smart money has been making moves that would honestly blow your mind. Check this out, XRP has tapped that $2 support level 3 times since May. Now conventional wisdom says that when support gets tested multiple times, it's bound to break. That's textbook technical analysis 101. But here's where it gets spicy. Instead of capitulation, we're seeing the complete opposite. Let me paint you a picture of what's really happening beneath the surface. Remember when Bitcoin broke past $100,000 and XRP went absolutely parabolic, hitting $3.54? That rally put 99.8% of XRP supply into profit. We're talking about one of the most profitable periods in XRP's history. Now here's the plot twist. Even though we've retraced and XRP's profitability has dropped to around 80%, we're not seeing panic selling. We're not seeing weak hands dumping their bags. Instead, we're witnessing something far more bullish, methodical accumulation by strong hands. And the data backs this up in a way that'll make your jaw drop. Get this, roughly 95% of Ripple's total supply sits in just 2 dominant wallets. But here's the real kicker. Addresses holding more than 10,000 XRP have climbed to a fresh all-time high of 303,000 coins. That's up from 285,000 just 6 months ago. You know what this means? While retail is getting distracted by the latest shiny object, institutional players and whales are systematically absorbing liquidity. They're playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Compare that to something like Solana, where we're seeing hype-driven rallies showing signs of exhaustion. SOL's conviction is thinning, support zones are breaking down, and the smart money is rotating out. Meanwhile, XRP, the smart money is rotating in. But wait, it gets even better! Just when you think XRP is all about patient accumulation, Ripple drops an absolute bombshell that nobody's talking about. Ripple just announced a collaboration with Web3 Salon, and this isn't just any collaboration. We're talking about a project backed by the Japan External Trade Organization, also known as JETRO. This is the Japanese government essentially rolling out the red carpet for blockchain innovation. Here's where it gets absolutely insane. Ripple is putting $200,000 per project on the table over the next year. That's coming from their dedicated XRPL Japan and Korea fund, which launched last June specifically to drive innovation in these massive markets. Think about this strategically for a second. Japan isn't just any market, it's the world's third largest economy. And Ripple isn't new to this game. They've been building relationships there since 2016 when they partnered with SBI Holdings. Last year, they collaborated with HashKey-DX to launch enterprise solutions powered by the XRP Ledger. This isn't some random expansion. This is a calculated move to dominate one of the world's most advanced economies when it comes to digital payments and blockchain adoption. The focus areas? DeFi, digital payments, and tokenization, exactly the sectors where XRP and the XRP Ledger excel. We're not just talking about throwing money at random projects, We're talking about strategic funding that could create an entire ecosystem of applications built on XRPL in one of the world's most important markets. Now let's tie this all together from a technical perspective. XRP's chart might look, kind of boring to the untrained eye, but experienced traders know that the best moves often come from the most boring setups. We've got consolidation at key support levels, we've got accumulation by strong hands, we've got strategic business expansion in major markets, and we've got a supply structure that's absolutely primed for explosive moves when the catalyst hits. The unrealized gains sitting in XRP wallets aren't creating selling pressure, they're actually creating FOMO for further upside. That's textbook bullish market psychology right there. Here's my take, and I'm not holding back. XRP is setting up for one of those legendary moves that separates the wheat from the chaff in crypto. While everyone's out there chasing 100x shitcoins and getting wrecked on leverage, the smart money is positioning in assets with real utility, real partnerships, and real potential for regulatory clarity. The Japan expansion isn't just news, it's validation that Ripple is building something sustainable. The accumulation pattern isn't just a chart formation, it's institutional money recognizing value before retail catches on. To wrap this up, we've got two massive developments converging: systematic accumulation by smart money and strategic expansion into one of the world's largest economies. XRP holders who've been patient through this consolidation phase might be sitting on exactly the kind of setup that creates generational wealth. What's your take? Are you accumulating XRP at these levels, or are you waiting for more confirmation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one, and honestly, I love engaging with this incredible community. Thanks for riding with Gold Rush Crypto Daily, where we turn market noise into actionable alpha. Until next time, keep stacking, and stay golden.